Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transports. Right, so an update on the paint job on the Skoda 706 Karoza. I've finished painting everything and I'll show you. Here's the spare wheel support, which is painted in red. The spare wheel, which is I made with two 12mm washers and a piece of Bic pen lid. I've painted because this is disc wheel, of course, I've painted the actual wheel grey. Because at first I had mixed some black to touch up the tyre, and then I added a spot of Vallejo matte black. Then I added a spot of Vallejo gloss white at the end in what was very dried up bit of black that was left there, so I managed to not waste any material. And the front wheels, you can see, are look very nice with their red hub ring there. The rear wheels are ready to be refitted with their red reduction hub. I didn't bother painting these because they're already grey. And these are wheels. This lorry here, I think somebody upgraded it with more realistic wheels compared to the original. And these are wheels that you can buy on eBay, for example. You can find these kind of wheels. They are like Herpa wheels. And I also looked up, you can even find 3-leg wheels. It could be tempted for this one. But on the other side, I like things stock. I mean, I like this as the original East German model. And it would be tempting to put 3-leg wheels on it. Yes, it would. But I also like it as it is. So if it were broken or missing the wheels, it would. But we'll just keep it as it is. That's fine. I've got plenty. Already repaired the fifth wheel in this one here. And so here we are. This is ready. Very nice. And all we need to do now is to assemble it, because and here you can see the replacement mudguard here. The right hand side rear mudguard was missing. I've painted that. That's a piece of aluminium from this tea light holder. You can see where I cut it out. So it's all been done with the styrene, were all clippings, so I've not used any new material to do this job. And in the meantime, I had some leftover grey, and I've been converting these granule tubes into pipes to load on the back of railway wagons or lorries. So I like to keep these things here. You never know, these plastic tubes can be very, very useful. And there you are, there's another one over there. I had to do a bit of tidying up here because last night this taxi here, the Fiat 1400 taxi, fell down there in a mess. And the taxi light on top broke off, but that can be refitted with glue and glaze. But then looking at original photographs, this car here also needs this triangular badge on top, which is the license plate that Italian taxis had. It was like a triangle, and on the Fiat 508 Balilla, that was missing, and I rebuilt that. So I'll have to find the photos and show you that on the photograph. So I made this sort of paper support just to stop things from accidentally falling off the support. Anyway, we're a good part. We're very close to finishing this job, gluing everything on. We'll use glue and glaze to glue the spare wheel into the spare wheel cradle, and then to glue the spare wheel cradle onto the chassis. So that's a nice little 187 HO model lorry project, which is nearly finished. Cheerio, and see you next time. Zoom here, we zoom on original one, and then we zoom on another one in the box. There we go. This is how I clean my brushes. I put them in this old this old spice jar here, and supported by clothes pegs, mini clothes pegs, so that they don't touch. Now I'll be going to wash all this stuff here. Okay, cheerio and see you next time. Whoop.